Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dee. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below so you can see all the new content that I will be uploading. Anywho, let's get right into it. So in this video today, I'll be showing you how I basically brought this wig back to life. If you want to see more, go ahead and stay tuned. Literally, I was gonna throw this, like how it looked a couple days ago. It looked like trash. I was about to throw this wig in the trash, like throw the whole wig away, okay? But I'm gonna show you what a little moisture can do for you and bring your wigs back to life. I'm about to jump right into it. So the product that we'll be using today is this Iron Color Intense Moisture Conditioner, and I'll be using a paddle brush. I'm just gonna grab my wig and get it all soaked up in the water. So what I'm doing right here is just quickly combing it out with my fingers before I put it in the water so that it doesn't tangle too much. So once it's all wet and lathered up, I'm just gonna squeeze my conditioner all over this wig. I use a lot of products just so that it gets all nice and slippery when combing it out and detangling it. So now I'm just gonna grab my paddle brush and start detangling. Remember, you detangle from the ends first. And then I'm just going to move it to my wig stand, so it just makes it a lot easier than trying to hold it and brush it at the same time. So then once that's all brushed out and there's no more knots, I'm just going to go ahead and start rinsing my the conditioner out. I rinse in cold water just to hold in the moisture so I don't wash out what I just put in. So this is the amount of hair that came out of the wig whilst detangling it. Then I'm going to go in with some leave-in conditioner and just rub it all over the hair and start brushing it through again just to make sure that, you know, it's all nice and smooth and everything. So this is what it looks like so far. I like it. Tell me what you guys think. Leave a comment in the comment section below. So a little history about this wig. I made this wig just over a year ago. I bought this hair from Bodacious Bundles by Bubs, and I absolutely love this hair. Like, look at it. It come back to life after a year. So guys, thanks for watching my video. I hope you like it. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'll be uploading more often with new content for you guys to see. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, show the love. And until my next video, I thank you guys for tuning in. See you next time. Bye. Done.